I'm ready to celebrate my 5K giveaway. Are you? Well, I hope you're ready for some awesome prizes. I'm gonna treat myself to a little glass of bubbly while I hand out these amazing prizes. Listen out for your name. So fingers crossed, make a little wish, and let's get started. I thought a little glass of champers was called for because I cannot believe I'm at 5K. Well, actually over 5K now, because when I first started this channel, that was not even thought about. I just wanted to bring my love of sewing to you guys and feel a part of the community. So not even 12 months and to reach 5Ks is just beyond my wildest dreams, and I just cannot believe the amount of support I've had from all of you loyal viewers to get me to this stage. So cheers, and let's start the draw. Now, it's quite a cool day here, but it is quite sunny for Melbourne, which is fantastic. I thought I'd show you my beautiful camellias. They're all blooming at the moment. These ones are really large. They're called Nucio's Gem, I think, from memory. If you're interested in camellias, I'll try and link that below. But they are a beautiful, big, open flower. So as you know, I love growing dahlias in the summertime. In the winter, my camellias take pride in place. Now, every week I tend to forget to let you know what I'm wearing. This is a top I made last year. It's the Frankie top, or Frankie dress you can make as well, from Tessuti Patterns. It's in a lovely velveteen, beautiful royal blue with some green, almost like mosaic looking pattern through it. Now, one thing to be careful of when you're making anything out of velvet or velveteen is you've got to look at the nap. This one, I didn't do that, and you can't really tell, but if it had a solid color, you really could. The way you can tell is normally at the seam. You'll see the difference in color variation. The front panel I did was the pile, so when you brush it down, it feels quite rough, whereas the back, brush it down, feels smooth. So don't do what I did. Make sure you cut the same direction with the pile and you won't have that problem. But I do know that when you do the pile the opposite way, it does give a more lustrous finish to the velvet. So that's something to think about, but also think about doing both the front and back the same direction. So as I say, I cannot believe the amount of response I've had, the amount of people that have come on board to tell me how excited they are. Also, the fantastic response I've had from just about every company that I approached for the giveaway. They all said yes, I think, which is incredible, because at this climate at the moment, a lot of small businesses are really struggling, and I think it's fantastic to show the support for the sewing community that they've got. The community spirit is still definitely there. The amount of fabric and pattern companies that have, obviously times are tough, and they've come on board and said, yes, we'd love to donate to your giveaway. So I think round of applause for them. It's brilliant. So I'm going to get going and let you know who the winners are. Now, drum roll, the first prize I'm going to give away is for the Australian and New Zealand viewers. We've just limited this part of the competition, but the rest of the world, stay tuned, because I've got all the pattern announcements to be giving out, and that is worldwide. So stay tuned for that. May Designs have a lot of beautiful fabrics. They do stock some very well-known brands such as See You at 6 and Mind the Maker. I know from past experiences when I've gone online to look at their fabric releases, things sell out within minutes on there. So you've really got to be quick. Good thing about Makey, Makey's the owner from May Designs, she lets you know when the fabric releases will be happening and gives you the time and date specifically, so you can put it in your diary, get online and jump on and be ready to purchase when you want to, and you won't miss out that way. The winner of the $50 voucher from May Designs is Denise Diajoni. Not sure if that's pronounced correctly, but forgive me if I'm wrong, Denise. You would have been contacted by myself, and if you haven't been on YouTube to see that little notification, please email me and we will organise these vouchers to be sent out to you. So congratulations to Denise. The second voucher is from Wattle Hill Fabrics, who of course are in Queensland. They have magnificent range of beautiful fleeces at the moment. They have a lot of Euro jerseys. They do stock some big name brands like Parpy designs as well. So yeah, they've got a lot of very well sought after fabrics on there, a lot of Scandinavian brands and some beautiful prints. And Wattle Hill is a place that I get a lot of my brush fleeces from winter, and also the beautiful Art Gallery brand. They do have a lot of jerseys on there as well, but a really wide variety of fabrics on there. So yeah, get on board to Wattle Hill and have a little look at what they've got to offer you. Winner of this voucher for $50 is Nolene Gay-Jess. Now, Nolene, you've been notified for that, so you can jump over to my email and I will organise that voucher to be sent out for you. Another fantastic small business here in Victoria that's donating $50 as well is Seamstress Fabrics. Now, Kat at Seamstress Fabrics, you may know the event Frock Tales. Kat is the person that was behind starting a lot of the Frock Tales events, so you can thank her for that. She has a wonderful range of really luxurious fabrics as well, things like your Italia brunettes and your Lady McElroys. Now, this coming next week, she's actually got the new range of Lady McElroy fabrics coming in, and one of the only stockists for Australia that does carry that range, so I think that's wonderful. Now, the $50 voucher for Seamstress Fabrics will actually be used towards the new range of Lady McElroy fabrics that are coming in. So the winner for the $50 voucher is Hayley Abbey. I know you're going to really enjoy that $50 voucher, because if you're like me and you lust after anything Lady McElroy, you'll really enjoy using that. The next fabric company I have that's donating a wonderful bundle of fabrics, including some lovely linens, is Potter & Co. Potter & Co. will be sending this lovely bundle of fabric out to the winner. So the winner of this bundle is Diane Morrill. Congratulations, Diane. If you haven't seen this yet, please contact me on my email, which will be linked below as well, so you can organise delivery. Now, the last fabric company, but not the least, is A&R Fabrics, who is in New South Wales. They have a beautiful range of linens coming in, especially from Europe, that's due on the 19th of July. They have a huge range of colours coming in as well. They do offer free swatches for any Australian and New Zealand viewers. So I think that's fantastic. If you can see a physical piece of fabric there and you know exactly what colour you're after, she can arrange for that. For any international viewers who would love to get a swatch of the colours for the linen, I think you just need to cover $3, which will just cover the postage for international, which I think is very reasonable. Now, A&R Fabrics also have a wonderful giveaway running on Instagram. All the details of that competition are over at Instagram, so if you want to jump on and have a look at A&R Fabrics, the competition is to actually sketch 2 outfits that you would love to make from their new range of linens and the colours that they have there as well, and you could be in the running to win 2 of those looks of linen fabric. If you love designing and sketching, this is a great way to show your talents and hopefully be in the running for that prize. So the winner for the $50 voucher for A&R Fabrics is Nicole Wilson. So congratulations, Nicole. I'm sure you'll put that to great use. And if you're interested in listening on some information about linens, Love to Sew have just done an episode last week on all the ins and outs and learning about linen. I think it's really taught me quite a lot as well. So yeah, jump over to Love to Sew if you want to educate yourself all about linen. I think it's a wonderful natural fibre to wear for all seasons. So thank you to all those fabric companies. I'm going to get stuck into all the pattern winners. We've had, as I say, about 30 pattern companies donating. Some of them are donated 2 patterns, so all PDF, which is great because you can get on and have them virtually downloaded whenever you wish. A lot of these pattern companies I've sewn from, just about all of them actually, sewn at least one or maybe 2 garments from. So I just think it's fantastic when you look up to these companies and you reach out, and they really are quite happy to be rewarding their customers. So most of these people would have already been contacted, but if you haven't seen that, yeah, you need to get back in contact with me and we can organise these prizes to be sent to you. So the first pattern company was actually Closet Case Patterns. Now they've changed to Closet Core Patterns, and if you want to read all about the reasoning behind that, jump over and have a look at Heather Lou's Instagram and she will explain all of that. I think it's a really great decision on behalf of them. So a Closet Core pattern will be coming for Rikki B. Congratulations, Rikki B. You get to choose a pattern of your choice. The next pattern will be from Chalk and Notch Patterns. As I said, I just actually showed you guys last week the new Marcel dress, which I think is stunning. I'm a big fan of the fringe dress. I'm also thinking about making the orchid midi dress as well from them. So the winner for that is Peggy R. Congratulations, Peggy. Then we have Friday Pattern Company. Now, Chelsea from Friday Pattern Company just said, count me in. She was really thrilled to be part of this competition. So the winner for Friday Pattern Company is Amy B. Congratulations, Amy. Pattern Union, who is an Australian company. Now, Sarah has a wonderful range of patterns, mix and match patterns. She has the Phoebe ensemble. There's a dress, a pinafore, overalls. Now, one of my daughters is called Phoebe, so straight away I'm like, yeah, the Phoebe, I have to make it eventually. They also have a lovely new blazer pattern and a cape pattern for those of us in the Southern Hemisphere. So Pattern Union, there's 2 patterns they're giving away, which is very generous of them. Winners of the Pattern Union patterns are Jeanette Hamilton. Congratulations, Jeanette. And Terrific Twos of Tucker is the other winner. So if I'm getting any of these names wrong from YouTube, please forgive me, but yeah, I'm doing my best. Itch to Stitch is the next pattern company giving a free pattern away. So the winner of Itch to Stitch pattern of your choice is Megan Geyer. Well done, Megan. I hope you enjoy that. Cashmerette are a very popular sewing company. Cashmerette patterns are beautiful and very, very popular. So the winner for the Cashmerette pattern is SK Cooney. Well done. So House 7 is our next pattern company giving a free pattern away, and the winner for that is Becky, the Obsessed Stitcher. Well done, Becky. Pattern Emporium have also volunteered to give a free pattern away as well. You may have noticed the new Entice Me dress. They've just released this week, but they have got some fantastic patterns, a huge catalogue of patterns that I actually own quite a lot of, and I love the way you can mix and match and chop and change. They really do give you a lot of different varieties and versions in each of their patterns. So the winner for the Pattern Emporium pattern is Anne Elias. So well done, Anne. Now, Minerva Crafts have also decided to donate a lovely craft bag. So the lucky winner for that is Sally Dingle. Well done, Sally. I hope you enjoy your craft bag. Now we're halfway through, so there's quite a few more to get through. The next, excuse these birds. The next pattern company from New Zealand is Forget Me Not Patterns. Joe has volunteered to give a lovely viewer a pattern. The winner for the Forget Me Not patterns, of course, their lovely new Adeline dress and also their Valerie dress is very, very popular. So the winner for that is Deblieux Sarah. Or Sarah Deblieux, not sure how you'd like that said. But yes, that is a free pattern for you coming your way. Helens Closet was one of the first pattern companies I approached for this, and I just couldn't believe the quick response I got from Helen herself. So I must say I was very, very impressed by that and a bit starstruck as well. So thank you, Helen. Helens Closet are donating a pattern to Heather Thompson. Well done, Heather. You've just scored yourself a free Helens Closet pattern. And she has just released a new pattern last week called the Gilbert shirt. So yeah, you've got quite a few new patterns, the Arden pants as well there. So some great patterns, and I love Helen's instructions as well. The next pattern company is Sew to Grow. Sew to Grow is run by Lindsay, who is actually from the US, and she lives in Australia now with her husband. So she has volunteered to give 2 patterns away. So the first pattern winner is Jan Miller. Well done, Jan. And the second winner of the Sew to Grow patterns is Christine Lafluer. So well done. Congratulations, you guys. You're going to love Lindsay's patterns. Now, Tessuti Patterns, you know, I'm a big ambassador for their patterns. I love everything I've made from Tessuti. They're probably up there with one of my most favorite companies, and of course being Australian makes it even better. So the first winner is Jeanette Alderslade. Well done, Janet. The next PDF pattern winner is Sue Hardy. So congratulations, you guys. Well done. Tessuti Patterns is fantastic. I Am Patterns also have donated a lovely PDF pattern to the lucky winner, who is Tracie Webster. Well done, Tracie. Next winner of a very popular pattern company here in Australia as well is Megan Neilson Patterns. You all know and love them. She's also had 2 new pattern releases, the olive dress and opal pants, which are on my make list. The winner for the Megan Neilson pattern is Kim Kennedy. Well done, Kim. Marilla Walker has lovingly donated a Ballum Night dress pattern to the lucky winner, who is Middle East Milli. Well done to you. Dhurata Davies, another great indie pattern designer. I've made quite a few of her patterns. You know, the Cora T and the Jasmine dress. I've just loved those. There's also the Masin dress as well. So the winner for that pattern is Debsmadethis. So congratulations to you. And Masin Sewing Patterns, you know, I did a dress on the day I dress was last week. Jasmine from Masin Sewing has donated a fantastic free pattern to Rayleen Wallace. Well done to you, Rayleen. The next pattern giveaway is from Sewing Revival, who is a New Zealand company. Well done to Cheryl Pearson for winning a free PDF pattern. Marsha Style from Australia as well have donated a pattern, one of their new dresses you might love. They've got 2 new dress patterns out, which are just stunning. The winner for the Marsha Style pattern is Tissie Makes. Well done to you, Tissie. True Bias. Well, who doesn't know True Bias? They are such a big name. They've got the well-known Lander pants. They've got the Lodo dress as well, which is a lovely pattern. I've made quite a few of those. The winner for the True Bias pattern is Jackie Intfeld. Well done to you, Jackie. Now, Assembly Line, a very, very popular pattern company, have donated a PDF pattern to, now this name's a bit harder to pronounce, Salig Lisholm Trovanga. Okay, so well done to you. You are going to love the Assembly Line patterns, and there's a new cuff dress pattern out, which I'm just lusting after. So well done to you for winning that. Fibre Mood have donated a free PDF pattern, and the winner of that is Gina Hayes. Well done to you, Gina. The ever popular Sew Over It have donated a free pattern as well. So the winner of your pattern of choice from Sew Over It is Mary Mary. Congratulations to you. You'll really enjoy one of their brand new patterns. And the last pattern on the list is from AK Patterns. Everyone knows Athena Cacao patterns. They are very popular patterns. So much to choose from there. The winner for AK Patterns is Michelle Allen. Congratulations, Michelle. You can jump over and pick one of your patterns of your choice. So cheers to everybody. Thank you so much for your support to all those fantastic companies, be it the pattern companies and the wonderful fabric shops online. Go and show your support if you're wanting to support small businesses. They are all very worthy of our spending. I know a lot of them really love looking after their customers as well. And I think the community support is brilliant there. For them to be reaching out and donating patterns at the moment, I think we are all very lucky to be receiving one of those. So get excited and get your sewing plans happening. If you're one of those lucky winners and you haven't seen your comment from me, please get on board there and email me and we can work out how to get your gift to you and you can finally get your reward. And I just want to say again a huge thank you to all my wonderful viewers every week. So many people have told me that they're loving the content I'm bringing. I've got endless brainstorming of different content to bring you. So I'm not going to run out in any hurry. If there's anything that you want to see me do on a show, please let me know. I'm happy to consider just about everything. If there's a theme that you want to see me film, I'm happy to do that as well. I love getting creative. I love getting your input and your comments from you guys. I think it's wonderful. And without all of you, the Dahlia Society wouldn't exist. It really is my favourite thing in the world to do this vlog, and I hope that comes through. I love inspiring and showing you all what I've made and things that I've loved, and I really am quite humbled by just the amount of support I've had. So thank you. Cheers. We'll see you next time. Don't forget, if you haven't subscribed, jump over and click on that subscribe button, and the prizes, they might be more, they might be bigger next time. So yeah, keep watching and keep safe. Bye for now. Okay. Who's ready to celebrate my 5K giveaway? Let's get started on some fantastic patterns. No, hang on. Hi everyone, welcome to the Dahlia Society. I'm ready to celebrate 5K giveaway. No, ready.